Huawei launched its new slimmest smartphone in China called Huawei Mate 70 Air, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Mate 70 Air features a tall 7-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 4000 nits of peak brightness support, and it is protected by Kunlun glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 9020A processor for 16GB RAM version, while the 12GB RAM version is equipped by Kirin 9020B chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Mate 70 Air sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus OIS support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 10.7-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Harmony OS 5.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165 by 81.5 by 6.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 208 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Mate 70 Air has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in obsidian black, feather white, and golden silver brocade color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Mate 70 Air smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.